Today, we're going to talk about how to cleanse without all the guesswork. Everybody needs to cleanse right now because we're so inundated with so many toxins, more than ever before. Basically, what I've seen over the years is that people will just do random different cleanses or programs because they heard that they're popular. That's might be a good idea for some people, but you need to know a few things. What are you cleansing? What are you cleansing from? What types of toxins have you been exposed to? How are you tracking your progress? Because what good is doing a cleanse if you don't know how you're doing? And are you preventing those toxins from getting back into your body in the first place? So these are all really important things. Now, and I'll talk a little bit more about them in a minute. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a cleansing and rejuvenation specialist. I've been helping people to be healthier for about 26 years now. And the ways that I do that are through my day spa here on Kauai, Hanalei Day Spa, and through different programs, cleansing programs. I have an online program and my cleansing kit, as well as videos just like this and different webinars. But I wanted to share with you a few of the signs and symptoms that you need a cleanse. Maybe lethargy or brain fog, pain in the body, in your joints. Did you know that a coat on the tongue or bad breath is also a sign that you have toxins in your body and it's time to do a cleanse? There are many other different symptoms, such as allergies. There's a lot of different causative factors to the disease process, to different disease processes that are really signs and symptoms that we actually need to do a cleanse, but most people don't realize that. So being a cleansing specialist for 26 years, I've seen a lot of things, including cleanses gone wrong, people doing the wrong kind of cleanse for their body type. Sometimes people don't even have the proper sequence of cleansing. It's really important to have a certain sequence when you're cleansing. So that's why I've created my Serious Cleanse programs. So if you want to learn how to cleanse without all the guesswork, join me. In the Serious Cleanse, there are 4 goals. Learn about toxins. Did you know that there's 7 categories of toxins? Well, there are. The second thing we do in Serious Cleanse, after we learn about all those different types of toxins, is we cleanse them. Then you want to know how to track your progress, because what good's doing a cleanse if you don't know how you're doing? And the 4th goal of the Serious Cleanse is to prevent toxins from getting in your body in the first place, because it's way easier to prevent them than it is to cleanse them. So these are the 4 goals of the Serious Cleanse. And I believe everybody needs to learn about toxins, cleanse them, track your progress, and prevent toxins from getting in your body in the first place. Now, do you know that you have 4 organs or pathways of detoxification? They are the skin, the kidneys, the liver, and the lymphatic system. It's really important to know your major pathways and organs of detoxification, because what happens is we are exposed to toxins from the air that we breathe, our bathing, showering, and drinking water. Toxins are grown into and sprayed on our food nowadays. Toxins are even in cleaning and body products, in our medicines, in our cars, in our furniture. They are everywhere at an increasing exponential rate. We're exposed to tens of thousands of more toxins than our parents were. And we really do need to learn about them, cleanse them, and prevent them. And that's why I do what I do to help people attain these 4 goals. So if you want to learn how to cleanse without all the guesswork, please join me. Thank you so much for your time. If you have found value in this video, please like, comment, and share, and ring that bell. Then you'll get notified the next time I have another video. See you soon. Aloha.